the booty cheeks out here like this? Oh, Soma's booty cheeks? Wow, okay, she got the booty cheeks out here. All right, let's check this out. We're gonna check out KARD. All right, we got some booty cheeks. Should have liked this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. We got Patreon. We're already watching K-pop Demon Hunters. We're watching Squid Game. I'm only at episode 4. And I'm already like, what the fuck? So be sure to check it out on my Patreon. Thank you for everybody that supported me. It's going ham. I appreciate y'all, so don't miss out. It is free to become a member. And also, if you want to support your boy and subscribe, it's $1. Just holler for $1. Be sure to check out my Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, everything up there. All right, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Do I need captions? Do I need captions? Even da-da-da-da-da-da? Da-da-da? You need that? What girl? Damn! Yo, booty cheeks out here, them cupcakes out here. Touch. I'm not gonna look at her then. She said stop. I'm gonna just turn around. Damn, whose ass cheeks out here like this? Stop looking at me. I know what you like. Now I have my boo name. You would take it tonight. Wait, is it all in freaking English? I know what you like. Now I have my boo name. You would take it tonight. C'est la vie. Make you feel that adrenaline, girl. Who got no shirt on with a beer? Oh, hi BM. No experience. I feel your body slowly surrendering me and you like a high risk mixture of elements that you come bust like a own little experiment. Talk to me. Oh, okay. You can never get enough of me. Hey yo! Oh. She said, "Don't touch me." You saw that? You saw that? What? Oh, she's serving though. One touch. Hey, yo, what the hell? Everybody got the... Oh. Ooh, that's a dope shot. They just had it to work. They just had to fucking get that ass popping, you know what I'm saying? Again? Damn! Okay, I see you. J-Sep. Ooh. Ooh, I love her hair. She looks good. Oh, she watching. Sir, are you cold? I bet it was cold in here. Oh, what's she saying? Alright, just put it out there. Just put it out there. You can just put it out there. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Give it all. Like, fuck the K-pop standards. What'd you say? All the fellas see a queen, let them know what's good. All my ladies favorite fellas, I can know you can and turn their boy into a man, get it on yourself. All my fellas with that energy, work it with ease. I put it down, body temp up to 100 degrees. All my ladies, all my queens, repeat after me. I don't need a man to tell me what I want, what I need. Yeah. They just got people out here just making out. Just making out at KARD MVs. Baby, all you need is one touch. But you're looking now, you're giving it all up. If you love me, what you say that I got what you need. Oh, yo, that was fire. Baby, all you need is they literally trying to recreate "It's Hot in Here" MV. Dang, does BM ever caked up like that? I never knew BM was caked up like that. Baby, all you need is one. Dang. I'm not trying to look, but god damn, that's the first thing I saw. I feel like you got the most cake out of everybody right now, BM. Was that song Cake about you? Why it stick out like that? Oh shit, Thanos? What, Thanos got rid of them? One snap? Why she survived? Was that the rapture? Oh. Was everybody vampires? What the fuck? I low-key would be kind of scared if I was in this situation. No, deadass. Bro, you just party with a bunch of people. Like, your bestie just invites you. Hey, girl, come out. We gonna shoot this music video for KARD. And then all of a sudden, everybody fucking dispersed like fucking Thanos. Just snapped his fingers. And then you survive. And your arm's being grabbed by Somin. And I'm like, oh, what's happening? I'd be kind of scared. I don't care how much I like you. I'm scared. People are gone. And then just stare down. What you know? What you know that I don't know? Anyways, KARD Touch MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Put a comments down below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Check out the links. TikTok, Instagram. Go follow that. Twitch. Go follow that. Shout out to everybody on Twitch. Yo, everybody in Twitch. Say what's up. Say what's up, everybody. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's up? All right, everybody saying what's up. Thank you guys for coming through. And yeah, be sure to check out the Patreon as always. And thank you guys for always supporting. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.